What's up you guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have an unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the new titanium color. We also have these new FineWoven cases. I got this one just because it matches really good with this one, but nonetheless we're gonna get started and open this up for you guys so you guys can see kind of what to expect when you buy one. And yeah, I got the 512. Let me see, I'm not sure you see it, but I got the 512 gigabyte storage unit. Fortunately, when I came to pre-order mine, the 256 were already sold out, but nonetheless, let's get started. Let's take out these little tapes here. Alrighty, now let's see. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. Ooh, that looks nice. It's kind of like a really nice gray color. First impressions, it's super light in the hand. Like, that's the first thing I know. The texture feels nice. You know, it's weird not having stainless steel rails anymore, but you know, this is a new aluminum, supposed to be a lot more durable. It's supposed to be a lot better in terms of durability. But yeah, my first impression is that it's super light. These rails are nice, they're like nice and smooth. Yeah, but let's get started. Go ahead and power it on. Yeah, I'm loving the feel of this actually. This color, I was kind of skeptical. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not, but I'm really digging it now. I typically am more of a black, like a matte black type color person. But first things first, honestly, it feels really good in the hand. Oh, next thing you know is that these bezels are also a lot like thinner. That's something that you'll notice if we put them here side by side. You'll notice that the rails are thinner on this one and on this one. You can see the stainless steel versus the aluminum. You can really feel the weight on it. That's something that you'll notice like right off the bat. But yeah, this is the 14 Pro Max Gold of last year. But yeah, it feels great. You know, I love everything. Now we have USB-C instead of the regular lightning that we used to get on the older ones. An action button where you pretty much can, it's pretty much like, it's supposed to have the same usage as this to turn the, like, you know, volume on and off, but you could program it to like, so when you press it, like you could snap a pic with it. You can you know, set it up for like the flashlight to work right away. But we're gonna go and set it up and we'll be right back with you guys. All right guys, so as you guys know, it's USB-C to USB-C, so you'll get one of these nice USB-C cables. It's nice because it's got kind of like a clothy type of feel on these cables. That's the first thing that I know. It's kind of the ones that you get if you purchase like a MacBook Pro. Let's see what else you get in the box. Nothing much, just a regular, you know, eSIM, you know, Apple sticker. But nonetheless, let's put this to the side and let's open up the case. So yeah, like I said, this color, I'm not even sure what the color is. It's a FineWoven case. Not sure what the, yeah, we're just gonna wing it, guys. The first thing I noticed is that getting this case out of here is tough though. But let's see. Just paperwork. Oh, more paperwork. Ooh, so nice. So first thing that I noticed is kind of like a, almost like a suede type of feel to it. The buttons, they feel nice. You know, this, I'm not gonna lie to you, like this area here feels like expensive, and then the rails here, they feel kind of cheap, not gonna lie. I feel like for the money that you're paying for this, like these should be built a lot better. But let's see how it looks like with the phone. No, it feels great. It actually matches. I mean, I don't know if it's just me, but on the camera, the titanium kind of looks a little bit green. A little bit, but in reality, it's like a gray type of color. But this case is nice, you know, it feels good in the hand. It's a little slippery though. Yeah, it's a little slippery. Like I said, these rails feel a little bit cheap for what you're paying for, but nonetheless, the buttons feel good. yeah, that's what the case will look like. Right now we're just setting up the phone, so we'll be right back. Okay, so we're setting the phone up now, and like I said, this is right here, the new action button. So I guess you press and hold to turn silent mode on and off, and you can also customize the action button, pretty much like what I said. Let's go ahead and customize it right now. So you could do it for that, you could do it for like a do not disturb, for your camera, flashlight, voice memo, you know, if you're trying to record someone low-key without them trying to find out. A magnifier, turn your iPhone into a magnifier glass to zoom in and detect objects near you. That's pretty cool. Any shortcuts that you want, accessibility features, or you can honestly just have as a regular no action. I think I'll probably put mine probably to the camera. All right, welcome to iPhone. So yeah, guys, I mean, it's, like I said, it feels, this is a beautiful titanium color. I'm actually glad that I went with this one. Like, if the way it feels, it's like, the one thing I noticed right off the bat is that these, I'm just zoom in real quick, guys, so we can get a better focus here. If you look at the rails, they've been kind of flat out, which if I'll grab my 14 Pro Max, you look at the rails here, they're like more on like the thicker rectangular. These ones are kind of like curved right here, so it makes like holding the phone a lot easier on you. Like you can honestly, like, I feel like I can now use this phone one-handed, even though it's a ginormous phone. But if that's something I really like, let's do the action button and see what happens. Let's do the action button. Oh, hold the button. Oh, I see now. Let's see. Oh, sorry guys, that's what you guys are looking at. Oh, okay, cool. No, I like it. It's actually pretty convenient. I think that's really like the only big noticeable differences that I see between these two. But yeah, guys, like, honestly speaking, coming from a perspective, if you have the 14 Pro, would you, or 14 Pro Max, should you get the 15 Pro Max? I personally wouldn't. I mean, added benefits of USB-C, titanium, it feels lighter, it's easier to use on the hand, and yeah, I would definitely consider it. But if you're trying to save a buck, you know, I would definitely just stick to what you have. It's I wouldn't say it's an incremental upgrade. Like, there's definitely some hardware in there that they, you know, made better, but it's not an upgrade that you should like really be like, you know, should I get it, should I not? I think we all know if you have a 14 Pro Max or a 13 Pro Max, no, 12 and under, definitely. Yeah, guys, but pretty much that's pretty much the conclusion of this video today. I just wanted to do an unboxing, my first impressions. We're gonna do a full-on review of this phone in the upcoming days. Other than that, yeah, this has been an unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro Max Titanium. You know, stay tuned for more videos. We're gonna put more effort into having this YouTube channel again. Get back to loading up videos, you know, frequently. So yeah, if you liked it, let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, share, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.